30 days ago, I had zero income from AI. Today I'm making nearly $5,000 per month, and I did it using something I call the sprint method. This isn't some get-rich-quick scheme. This is a systematic approach to building an AI business in 30 days or less. By the end of this video, you'll have the exact blueprint I used. Day by day, step by step, no fluff, no BS, just the exact process that took me from zero to nearly $5,000 in 1 month. If you're ready to sprint instead of crawl toward your AI business, keep watching. Here's the problem with most people trying to start an AI business. They overthink it. They spend months researching, planning, learning every AI tool that exists, and they never launch. The sprint method is different. It's based on 3 principles: speed over perfection, action over planning, revenue over features. In 30 days, you're going to pick one AI service, find your first 3 clients, deliver results, and generate revenue. That's it. No complicated tech stack, no months of preparation. Just 30 days of focused execution. I documented every single day of my sprint, the wins, the failures, the revenue, everything, and I'm going to show you exactly how to replicate it. This method was inspired by the concept of design sprints used by companies like Google, but adapted specifically for solo entrepreneurs building AI businesses. You can learn more about the full sprint with AI methodology at sprintwithai.com, but this video will give you everything you need to get started today. Days 1 through 5 are all about choosing your service and niche. Here's what I did. Day 1, I listed every AI service I could possibly offer. Content creation, voiceovers, chatbots, video editing, copywriting, design. I had about 15 options. Day 2, I eliminated everything except the top 3 based on one question. Which service can I deliver results on within 7 days of getting a client? This is critical. You need fast wins. I narrowed it down to AI content creation, AI chatbots, and podcast editing. Day 3, I chose my niche. This is where most people mess up. They try to serve everyone. I picked real estate agents. Why? Because I knew they needed content for social media, they had money to spend, and there are millions of them. Day 4, I created my service package. For real estate agents, I offered 20 social media posts per month, 4 blog articles, 8 email sequences. Price, $1,500 per month. Simple, clear, valuable. Day 5, I built a simple 1-page website. Not fancy, just clear. What I offer, who it's for, how to contact me. I used Card. It took 3 hours. The Sprint with AI framework emphasizes this. You don't need a perfect website. You need a clear offer and a way for people to say yes. Days 6 through 10 are client acquisition. This is where most people give up. But here's the sprint method approach. You're not trying to build a marketing funnel. You're not trying to go viral. You're trying to get one client to say yes. Day 6, I made a list of 50 real estate agents in my city. I found them on Instagram, Facebook, and Google. I looked at their social media. Most of it was terrible. Inconsistent posting, bad photos, no strategy. Perfect. Day 7, I reached out to 20 of them. Here's the exact message I sent. Hi, name, I noticed you're crushing it in neighborhood. I specialize in helping top agents like you dominate social media without spending hours creating content. I'd love to show you how I can create a month's worth of posts in 1 afternoon using AI. Interested? Simple, direct, no hard sell. Day 8, I got 5 replies. 3 said no thanks. 2 wanted to learn more. Day 9, I had 2 phone calls. I didn't pitch. I asked questions. What's your biggest challenge with social media? How much time do you spend on it? What results do you want? Then I showed them my package. $500 per month for everything. 1 said yes immediately. Day 10, I sent the contract and got paid. $1,500 for my first month. Client number 1 locked in. This is the power of the sprint approach. You're moving so fast that momentum builds. Most people spend weeks perfecting their pitch. I spent 5 days finding someone who needed what I offered. Days 11 through 15 were all about delivery and momentum. Day 11, I created my client's first month of content. I used ChatGPT to write 20 social media posts about local real estate, market trends, and home buying tips. I used Canva to design the graphics. I used Midjourney for some property visualization images. Total time 4 hours. Day 12, I sent everything to my client. She was blown away. She thought it would take me weeks. It took me 1 afternoon. This is the AI advantage. Day 13, I asked for a testimonial. She gave me a video testimonial saying I saved her 20 hours per month. Gold. Day 14, I asked for a referral. She introduced me to 2 other agents in her brokerage. Day 15, I had coffee with both of them. I showed them my client's content. I showed them the testimonial. I explained the package. Both said yes. $1,500 times 2 more clients equals $3,000. I now had $4,500 per month in recurring revenue. In 15 days. This is the sprint method in action. Fast execution, fast delivery. Fast results, fast referrals. The traditional approach would have taken months. The sprint approach took 2 weeks. Days 16 through 25 were about making this sustainable. I couldn't keep spending 4 hours per client every month. I needed systems. Day 16, I created content templates. Instead of starting from scratch each month, I had ChatGPT create 10 different post templates for real estate. Market updates, home staging tips, buyer advice, seller tips, local events. Day 17, I created a Canva template library. 20 different design templates that I could customize for each client in minutes instead of hours. Day 18, I built a prompt library for ChatGPT. The exact prompts that generated the best content. I saved them all in a Google Doc. Day 19, I timed myself. With these systems, I could create a full month of content for one client in 90 minutes instead of 4 hours. That's a 62% time savings. Day 20, I realized I could handle 10 clients with the time I had available. 10 clients at $1,500 each equals $15,000 per month. That became my goal. Days 21 to 25, I focused on optimization. I tested different post types to see what got the most engagement. I refined my ChatGPT prompts. I improved my Canva templates. By day 25, I could deliver better results in less time than when I started. This is what I teach in the full Sprint with AI program at sprintwithai.com. How to build systems that let you scale without burning out. The final 5 days were about pushing to the finish line and reflecting on what worked. Day 26, I got a referral from client number 2, a luxury real estate agent who wanted premium content. I quoted her $2,000 per month instead of $1,500 because luxury real estate needed higher quality visuals and more sophisticated copy. She said yes. Day 27, I delivered her first batch of content, used Midjourney for luxury property visualizations, ChatGPT for high-end copywriting, premium Canva templates. She loved it. Day 28, I calculated my total monthly recurring revenue. Client 1, $1,500. Client 2, $1,500. Client 3, $1,500. Client 4, $2,000. Total, $6,500 per month. But I only had 3 weeks of actual billing in my first 30 days. So my actual revenue for the first month was $4,147. Still, nearly $5,000 in 30 days, from zero. Day 29, I documented everything. Every tool I used, every prompt, every template, every script for client calls, every email I sent. Why? Because I wanted to be able to replicate this process and teach it to others. Day 30, I set my goals for month 2. Get to 10 clients and $15,000 per month in revenue. Create a course teaching the Sprint method. Build a community of people using this approach. That last goal led me to create sprintwithai.com, a complete resource for people who want to build AI businesses using the Sprint framework. Here's your complete 30-day blueprint to replicate this. Week 1, choose your AI service and niche. Create your offer and pricing. Build a simple one-page website. Week 2, make a list of 50 potential clients. Reach out to 20. Have conversations with 5. Close your first client. Week 3, deliver exceptional results fast. Get a testimonial. Get a referral. Close clients 2 and 3. Week 4, build systems and templates. Optimize your process. Set your goals for month 2. That's it. 4 weeks. One focused sprint. The key is speed and focus. Don't get distracted by shiny objects. Don't try to learn every AI tool. Don't build a complicated business. Pick one service, one niche, get 3 clients, deliver results. Everything else is noise. If you want the complete framework, including all my templates, prompts, scripts, and step-by-step training, visit sprintwithai.com. I've put together everything you need to execute your own 30-day sprint. Before I wrap up, let me tell you the 5 biggest mistakes people make when trying this. Mistake 1, choosing too many services. Pick one, master it, then expand. Mistake 2. Trying to serve everyone. Niche down. Real estate agents, dentists, lawyers, restaurants. Pick one. Mistake 3. Waiting for the perfect website or portfolio. You don't need perfect. You need good enough to close your first client. Mistake 4. Not asking for referrals. Your best clients will refer you if you just ask. Mistake 5. Overcomplicating the service. Keep it simple. 20 posts, 4 blogs, 8 emails, done. Don't add 47 deliverables, simple wins. And here's a bonus mistake I see all the time. People spend weeks learning AI tools but never talk to a single potential client. You don't need to be an AI expert. You need to be good enough to deliver results and brave enough to have sales conversations. The sprint method forces you to do both in 30 days. You can't hide behind research and planning. You have to execute. So there you have it. From $0 to $4,147 in 30 days using the sprint method. This works. I've done it. Hundreds of people in the Sprint with AI community have done it, and you can do it too. If you're ready to stop planning and start executing, visit sprintwithai.com. I've created a complete guide with templates, scripts, and step-by-step training for your 30-day sprint. If this video helped you, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. I post new AI business content every week. Drop a comment below telling me, what day of your sprint are you on? Day 0, day 15, day 30? Let me know and I'll give you personalized advice for your next step. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the sprint.